So you can see that it's the junction, and it's kind of like up and down because of the hilly region. So let's move ahead in this direction. That's the bridge. Okay, now we need to move straight ahead. If you go to the left, so it will be Nepean Sea Road. To the right in that direction, so that will take you to August Kranti Maidan. So we are going to go straight ahead. That's the Pedder Road. So let's cross it while we have the chance. That's beautiful, right? Okay, let's move. So that's the junction behind me. We're going straight ahead. So we came from over there and we're continuing towards the Pedder Road. So let's go. This road will take us straight to the Haji Ali Junction. Well, it's only a couple of minutes before we reach the Haji Ali Junction. Let's keep moving ahead. Believe me, the temperature is high. The only reason that I'm walking along this road is because of the trees. Feels good walking under the shade of the trees. Ooh, it's really high temperatures. And heavy traffic. You can see that it's already it's not even rush hour. Friday. So there's one tourist attraction that you can visit along the Pedder Road, and that's the film museum. The film museum, which is straight up ahead on your left. I'll just show you, and definitely visit it. It's exactly opposite to the Punjab National Bank and the Domino's that's there over here. Let me just show you where it is. So you can see there's this car which is coming out. So that's the entrance to the film museum. So do visit it, and you know, it's worth visit. Air conditioned and everything, and even the entrance fee is quite low. So history about the films of India, Bollywood in general, everything that has been explained along with the equipment and everything. Let's go. One thing that you can do on Pedder Road is definitely drive it when it's not rush hour. Definitely need to take a drive along this road, maybe on a Sunday. So definitely enjoy it. Feels like you are driving through a metropolitan city. I mean, yeah, it has got its own charm, but on a working day, it's nightmare. But anyways, let's keep moving. It gets worse as the day goes by and it's evening. It comes to a crawling stop. So let's go. Look at that. It's finally moving. Traffic is moving. Hajari Junction is a little bit up ahead, but yes, if you go to the left, so you'll have Mahalakshmi Temple. So yeah. So as you've seen, it's like up and down, like going up and down on a hill. It just gets crazy. Left, you have Mahalakshmi temple. To the right, straight ahead for Haji Ali Junction. Let's go. This is the entire junction. And just look out for the traffic from the opposite end. So we came from over there. And just straight up ahead is the Haji Ali Junction, and I think I'm gonna have a juice because I'm tired and thirsty. So let's go. Last few days of the summer, and then it's going to rain cats and dogs here. So let's go. And that's the famous, infamous, I don't know, Hirapanna market. So, yeah. So we are at Haji Ali Junction. I mean, to look at the chaos this junction have, I can't believe it. And in the evenings, during the rush hour traffic, oh, not gonna believe it. So let's go. I'm gonna have some juice. This is the Haji Ali Junction.